Hey everybody, welcome back to another plan with me. Today I'm going to be planning in my classic Happy Planner for November 16th through the 22nd, and I'm going to be using the Happy Quotes sticker book. I just love this sticker book. I think it's so cute and so original. Love the quote boxes, the little sticky note stickers, all the things. I also really love the color scheme. It's bright, but like a different kind of bright. So I found this washi tape, which I think is going to bring out the colors that I'm going to use. I like that it's a little bit different kind of pattern with the long dashes and the short dashes. Really, really like this washi tape. So now I'm going to kind of go through and plan out my layout. There's so many cute accent stickers in this, but I think I'm going to stick with my tried and true, putting a big quote sticker in the lower left. Another kind of theme for this layout is just like motivational, keep going kind of thing. We're almost to the end of the year, so need that little extra push of motivation to get everything finished. This sticker said 1 year, 365 opportunities. I really like these big box, or not big box, but full box quote stickers. Just love the colors and how they were designed, kind of tie a theme all together. Putting my big box sticker here in the lower right. This has a built-in checkbox, so I probably will use this for weekend tasks. Putting a header that says yay for weekends in such a fun yellow, kind of yellow mustard color. This week is the final week before Thanksgiving, so really starting to get final plans made. Andrew and I won't be going anywhere. We'll be having Thanksgiving at home, but we are still going to cook. We just love the Thanksgiving foods too much not to. And the good thing is with a lot of Thanksgiving foods, they freeze pretty well. So if you can't eat everything, which we certainly won't, because we're going to be doing a full turkey and 2 or 3 sides, you can freeze them and then have leftovers. And a little bit of Thanksgiving all through the winter. So now that I have my decorative foundation kind of laid, I'm going to add in my task boxes. One there for Monday, for Tuesday. And then I'm going to look at and see what I want to do for Wednesday. It looks like I'm going to do a check box, a bulleted checklist, I should say. So a bulleted checklist for Wednesday, adding a decorative quote sticker. These are the days. They sure are. And then for Thursday, I came up with this idea to do kind of a cluster of these push pin sticky notes. I just thought these were so cute. So each Post-it note will get its own task. For Thursday, adding another quote sticker, because why not? I also have a ton of these circle stickers, and I'm never quite sure what to do with them. So when I have layouts like this, where I've got some gaps to fill in, I kind of go ahead and make up my own little sticker. So just put those 2 there. Gonna do a bulleted list for Friday. Make a header. And then I liked this checkbox, but I didn't want the yellow header. So I cut that off. And I'm going to put this in this white space for additional notes for the weekend. And then I'm adding this typewriter. I love that this sticker book had these transparent typewriters. I love typewriters and that cute mint color. So fun. Adding kind of a little washi tape-ish looking header there. And I'm going to add some horizontal quote stickers. This one says better an oops than a what if. Love that. And then up here, try again. Again, sticking kind of with that motivational theme. My week isn't going to be too crazy. I don't have any meetings or things out of the house. Just a lot of prepping for holidays next week. But I think that's going to do it for this layout. I really enjoy how this came out. I think it's colorful, fun, balanced, but yet very functional. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to be notified of more content I post, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And hope you're having a great fall and pre-Thanksgiving season. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.